Welcome, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I didn't see my wife's car outside.
Oh, gosh, she never come out.
You mean she's not yet back? Take me out of here.
Okay.
Leave it.
Common sense, eh? You know the funny story.
Hey! Now you want to get common sense. Eh? You person ask me questions, say, look at please, mama. Which one might I before? Why can I say, Madam Desa, when you see Madam Onny? Eh?
I see what can't enter just now. Enter you for your next day, you must stop that.
Sunday! Oga, open this gate.
I need to leave right now because I don't want my husband to come before me. Please.
You're acting like you've been here since morning. You just came in now.
I know, and I want to go. You won't understand.
Oh, husband protector. Anyway, when are you coming back again? Because I really want to show you that stuff.
I'll call you.
Oh, okay. Oh, submissive wife.
Where are we headed to, sir? Back to where we came from. Yes, sir.
Welcome, madam.
Thank God it's not yet back.
Madam, 2 hours. In fact, just 2 hours.
Really?
Yes, madam.
So where is he?
I don't think just come. Immediately, just come out. He's not coming away anywhere.
Did he ask of you? Did he?
Madam, no be you. No be me talk am. Wait. Oga just enter. He say, where is my wife? Is my wife? Is my wife not coming back? This John, you see this John? He show people in mind say, Oga, since morning when madam promote, you no gree come back.
What?
Now Oga first, come out. No be me talk am. Na John.
John. John!
Madam.
Fly out.
Boss, would you still be needing my assistance tonight? Not until tomorrow.
Okay, the key, sir. Good night.
You're welcome.
You should be on bed by now.
He kept me waiting. So how was your trip to Amo?
I had a pleasant time.
How is your father?
He is vibrant as ever.
And his wife, your mother?
My mother is good and she sent her regrets to you.
Oh. Welcome home, my son. Where are you coming? I heard you've been home early.
And where did you go to after office hour? because I know your office closes by 1:30 every Friday, and I was home by 4 p.m. and I was told that you were not back from office.
So, was that why you came back and then you left to heaven knows where? You didn't even bother to call me. Now you're coming back at this odd hour. Check your time.
Why are you shouting on me?
Why wouldn't I shout? Why wouldn't I shout when you keep accusing your boss I don't know? You came back and then you didn't see me. Why didn't you bother to call me to know what happened? No, you did not call me. For your information, I did not leave my office. I had a client who was supposed to travel tomorrow, so I needed to fix everything. I needed to meet up with the deadline. You didn't even bother to call me.
And that's why you couldn't call to check on me. Simply because you've concluded that I went to an odd place as a result of your not being at home. Okay. My father sent me to meet his spiritual director. That is where I am coming from. And you know how hard it could be. And I was here exactly 4 p.m.
I'm sorry I shouldn't be that true.
Get my smile.
Smile now, why are you doing me? Let me get your
We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone. When love.
And who was that?
One of my clients. He sent an appreciation text for the calendar to me.
Can I read?
Oops. It's my habit of reading messages and deleting. I have deleted it.
I see.
I'm using this thing. I'll read messages and then I'll just press delete.
When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding.
Sweetheart.
And where are you going to this Saturday morning?
My mother called me last night and she said she wanted to see me very urgently. That there's something very important for us to discuss.
And you didn't bother to tell me till now?
Baby, I'm sorry. I forgot. I was actually going to tell you. I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm not stopping you from going to see your mother. Always try and do things the right way. You understand?
Thank you for allowing me.
We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. Love is gone. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. We're just holding on. This house is no longer.
So you sent for me. Get the car ready. We're going out now.
Oh, sir, you remember you promised you're going to give me this weekend so I can go and be with my family.
Oh, it's true. This trip is an urgent one, okay? Maybe by next week you go and be with your family, okay?
Yes, sir. But sir, I have to...
See, get the car ready. That is what I want. We are going out now.
Yes, sir.
Good.
My daughter, I am happy you are here. Do you know that it surprised me? I couldn't even believe it when I was told that you came to see me.
Mama, I had to come. It's been a long time.
That is expected. You are now a married woman. As a married woman, you don't have all the right to leave the house whenever that pleases you. Not those days when you used to be young. When your leg then you look.
Wait. Does that mean I can no longer visit my father?
No. That is not what I mean.
Mama, when is Papa going to come back?
I don't think you'll be able to wait for him. Except you're planning to spend the rest of the night with us.
I didn't tell my husband that we'll be spending the night.
How is your husband?
It's fine.
He just allowed you to come and see him.
No, really. I had to lie to him that you sent for me because I needed to see you badly.
Yeah. And I hope he's now behaving like a good husband to you.
Mama, although I've not caught him red-handed, but I suspect he's keeping another woman.
Is he keeping another woman?
Yes.
Hey! Hey! Chineke. Do you know that in Africa, how a man from a responsible home will be living an irresponsible life? Okay, Nede? Look at you, for example. From a godly home, given a thorough training on our belief and culture, we now end up living an immoral life. Is it possible, my daughter?
God forbid. Hey.
That is what is expected of your husband too. Yes.
Just for his selfish desire, this man has denied me another weekend with my family. What am I doing here now? Just whiling away time for nothing. What am I doing here?
Lolo Azuanoka.
Ikechukonyeka. My big in-law.
How are you today?
I'm fine. This one that you deem it fit to call me today.
Why are you talking like this? Don't I call you before?
Ha! When last did you call me? When last did you call me my in-law, Ikechuku?
You know I'm a very busy person. Notwithstanding, I still call you.
It's okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Good.
What of your parents?
They're fine. Mom's in good health.
That's good. That's good to hear. I'm happy to hear that.
I hope this sudden and urgent call you gave to my wife is for something good.
Yes, yes. Actually, miss her. So I decided to ask her to come. You know, it's been long. It's been long.
And I hope he's not going to enter in tonight.
No, not at all. Just a casual visit.
Okay.
She left some hours ago.
Really?
Yes. Yes, my dear.
Okay. I'm going to call you back to know how you're faring, okay?
Okay. Please, my in-law, do take care of yourself. And my daughter.
I'll call you back. So fast.
Hey, welcome.
We are going back to that house now. Yes, sir.
And make sure you do everything within your power to be in my house in 2 hours. Do you understand?
I'll do my best.
When I touch you, you don't feel like before. We are strangers. We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. We're just holding on. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love.
Where's my wife's car?
Oga, she can't come out since morning. She first you come out now.
You mean she has not come back since morning she left?
No, Oga, I never come back.
Just this.
Boss, I'm sure she must have gone to the market to buy something.
Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart.
Sorry.
When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. We're just holding on. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is no longer a home. Lovers.
Morgan? Okay, no verse.
So what is it?
Madam, they forget.
Why?
She say make I come meet you, make you give me money, make she pay taxi man.
You mean she came back in the text?
Yes, sir.
When I touch you, you don't feel like before. We are strangers. We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so.
What happened?
Sit to the cabman first.
And how much is his money?
1,500.
Yes, hurry up.
We are strangers. We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is low.
I was attacked by armed robbers. They took the car and some of my valuables, including my phone. But thank God they didn't hurt me. Thank God.
I'm reverse.
Yes. Armed robbers.
And when did this happen?
I don't know exactly, but it should be between the hours of 5 and 6. Yes.
I see.
I felt for you too because I knew you would be trying to call me. But thank God, I was so hot. Thank God, pressure. Thank God.
When love is gone, you're just holding on.
Let me pressure you.
To what used to be, just holding on. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies when love is gone. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies when love is gone. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies when love is gone.
This is no good story.
There. The car was trailing me. Although I noticed it on time, I didn't just know what to do. I tried to call my husband and his number was not connected. I was panicking. Then when we got to that sharp bend, that was where they intercepted me.
Are you serious?
4 of them, fully armed.
Yay!
I almost doubted on my clothes. I thought it was going to be my last day.
Well, since there was no harm caused, we still thank God.
Thank God. I don't care about the car. At least I'm happy that I'm still alive. So how is business?
My dear, business is fine.
How can you ever think such about such a girl from a well-known and respectable background?
But that does not make her a saint.
It does. She had a godly upbringing. And I am sure her mother and father gave her trainings on godly morals. So there's no way she could have lived an innocent life. I arranged this marriage myself. And I'm sure I gave you a wife. I gave you the best of wife you can ever think of in life.
Well, you're sounding as if you're too sure. Anything can be possible, no?
Okay. including lying to you about being attacked by armed robbers, or losing her car, valuables to them as well.
Yes.
Is that what you mean?
Yes.
And why do you think so?
She might be cheating on me.
The only thing that can make a man think in such a manner is when you yourself are not truthful. A behavior doesn't allow another with a sword to go behind it.
Papa.
Yes. Occasion. Papa, I think you have to re-examine your words. I know what I'm talking about. Yes, I know what I'm saying.
Where to, sir? Take me home. Take me to my wife.
This kind of marriage now, wow.
Shh. Eh? What's happened? Some way they say marriage.
No get sense again. You know they ask me to no they this house. Oh.
But wait, you know say for this life, don't be as rich man. Oh, make us start from poor man first. Don't be as poor man take the think or learn something. Don't be so rich man take the do their own. You know me? Right?
That's true. But if not so a rich man marriage be, you better say I go marry poor man no. Eh? We poor like me, we will go enjoy our marriage. If you talk, I talk, you listen. Finish.
Hey, see you. Ah, you know not because you poor. I make you think like this sense they enter your head. If to say you rich, hey, to God, all this sense no go enter your head. Make I just tell you the truth. Now so enjoyment. Now you go just do hungry you. You no go even think or send people who they talk bad against you. They target away you.
Don't do. But which one come be like this?
Yeah.
Nah, big man, big poor man. I don't know.
If you ask me this one now, I don't know who I will ask. Because the knife way sharp, you don't get head. The one way get head, you know sharp. So you don't know the one way.
Yeah.
No.
You think that one come in again?
What thing I mean be say poverty na bad thing. If you lie for that one, I go tell you the truth. What? They pursue me.
Yes, Mom. All right, Mom. Mom. Okay, my husband is back. Yes, Mom. I'll talk to you. Bye-bye, Mom. Sweetheart, welcome.
When did you buy a new phone?
Oh. I went to the next business center. So I retrieved my old line. Then I bought this new phone.
Let me see. Why is there no number on your phone list?
Honey, I just bought this phone. I only called my mom.
Why is her number not on the dial list?
It should be there. Check very well, or maybe this phone doesn't save call history.
Don't be ridiculous.
What are you insinuating? Wait. That I deleted the number I called? You know what? I'm going to call my mother. And if she confirms she was the one I called, then you have to explain all this nonsense to my father. Let me call my mom.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And spare me that. You're always accusing me. It's because you're not sure of yourself. You don't trust yourself. That is why you think I'm just like you. I am not. I can't even have one moment of joy in this marriage. What is all this rubbish? I'm tired of everything. I'm tired. If this cannot work, then let's end it. Let's end it. When was the last time you made love to me?
And when was the last time you asked for it? Or do you really need my love again?
So I have to ask for it. Mr. Ike, I have to ask for it. I have to ask my husband to make love to me.
Please. Give me my food, please.
Food? To hell with the food. Nonsense. Vera, I am going crazy. I am tired of this marriage. I need a breakup.
Child, after everything you've done, just to make this man happy.
Vera, I put so much effort in this marriage and he doesn't even appreciate it. And you know the worst. He suspects every of my movements. I don't know why.
Just calm down. You know, men are known for their promiscuity. Definitely he's cheating on you. That is why he believed the fact that he will be cheating on him too.
Abi, I regret this marriage. I never wanted to marry him. It was my mother that pushed me into it.
Anyway, break up is never an ideal step in marriage. You just have to calm down.
I will not die because of this marriage. I need some time for myself. I think I do. I need a breakup.
Just calm down. No men are the same. Just calm down.
Don't understand.
Aye! Papa! Yes, I did. And I'll do it over and over again. Despite all the warnings I gave to you, you went ahead and did the work.
But I apologized to her.
Shut up your mouth. Why did you even do it in the first place?
Was that why she had to leave the house for 2 days now? If divorce is what she wants, then it's better that way. Aye! Papa, what is it?
Yes! I said I did it and I'll do it again. Over and over again. Instead of being remorseful for the wrong you did, you're here talking about divorce.
Well, that is what she wants.
Shut up, listen. Now listen. Tomorrow morning, we are going to the Megu's house to do the right thing and bring back my phone. This discussion is over, education.
You have to go in there and see them. Odogu and his son are here. Go and see them. Don't keep them waiting. Hey? Don't keep them waiting, it's not good.
I don't want to see anyone.
You don't want to see anybody? For your information, your father is in there, dining and whining with them. Are you hearing me? He asked me to come and call you. Yes!
Mama, I don't want to see anybody. I'm no longer interested in that marriage.
And there was never a time I was interested.
My daughter, see, let me tell you. You see, most marriages are like that. At first, it will look as if it's not working. Yes! But with time, they turn out to be the best marriage. Yes, my daughter. Please, go and see them. Don't disgrace us. Because, please, I'm begging you. Please, my daughter. Please.
I hear say, Oga, carry Papa go Madam their house. Go they beg Madam say make them come back.
Huh? Who tell you that one?
Now the chance. Even to say, Madam will come back any moment from now. If it be today,
These people no get sense. Small sense, like ordinary small sense.
Abi?
They no get. I tell you. See hey! Oh, Oga mind you know the way wife dey again. Your wife mind dey another place. Why they no go just leave these two people make them go their way? Hey!
Hey, but I be here say, Oga no, you no want carry Madam come back. But now him Papa, now him go the first make her come back.
You see that thing why they tell you about the rich people? Now because of their name, many people no come they talk say so person pikin don't divorce. See now they no go just leave these people, make them go their separate ways.
But let's say the family person they poor, than make person they rich.
Abi?
You know the thing?
See, make I tell you the truth. Poverty get level. If the original one hold you, hey, you go better make you no get sense. But to get money. And they tell you, her.
When I touch you, you don't feel like before. We are straight.
Baby, I'm so sorry.
We are so close.
I promise to be a good husband. I will not suspect you again. I will always believe whatever you say.
And we will build a better relationship henceforth.
I want to take you out tomorrow.
Wow. Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's been a long time.
Long time. Yes. Oh, I can't do it.
When I touch you, you don't feel like before. We are strangers. We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong, breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is love,
You don't want to pick your call?
No, I don't pick my calls when I'm eating.
Right? You might not know who the caller is. Alright. Let me ease myself, okay? Come in.
We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. Just holding on to what used to be. When love has gone, this house is love.
Okay, yes, the documents. Sweetheart.
So, you finally picked the call?
No. Yes, another call.
Okay. Do you need any more thing?
No. Thank you. I'm okay with this.
Are you sure? Mary. You know I love you so much.
I love you too.
And I can do anything to make you happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Vera, the break I took really worked.
Wow, for real?
I'm telling you, for real. My husband is now a changed man. He's so caring right now.
Wow.
I'm telling you, I'm enjoying my husband and my marriage.
This is a very good news, my dear.
He doesn't suspect me. I'm telling you. You need to see the car he bought for me. It looks exactly like that one they stole.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. He said he's tired of seeing me jumping from one keke to another keke. So.
Wow. Oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
Marriage is sweet. Thank you.
Are you joking?
Yes, I am.
I learned that you're very good in this business.
I'm a professional to the core.
Good. Her office address, her phone number, her car registration number, everything is in there. Find out who the bastard is. I don't want any traces. If anything should go wrong, I will deny you absolutely.
Like I said, I'm a professional to the core. Nothing is going to go wrong. I give you my words. In 7 days, you'll find out who your secret rival is.
I like that. I don't want any arrangements to leak. The consequences is better told than experienced. So please, do a good job.
You have my words. Nothing is going to go wrong. And yet, you have the results that you want. Have a good day. Where are we headed now, sir?
We are going to Jesus' house.
Okay, sir.
Take your hands off me.
What have I done wrong?
Everything.
What are you talking about?
You said you were going to divorce her and bring me home.
Come on, don't start again. Okay? This is your home. This is my real home. And you know what?
Someone said he saw both of you yesterday at the restaurant.
Oh, that. Oh yes, I was just trying to put one or two things together to get exactly what I want.
So you think I'm that stupid to believe everything that comes out of your mouth?
What has come over you?
What closeness are you talking about? The same closeness you talked about. When she left you and threatened for a divorce, you went and brought her back. Do you think I'm that stupid?
My love, come on. My dad was the...
Spare me that! Your father. The same reason you left me and married her. What do you take me for? After all the hopes and promises. Huh?
Baby, please calm down, okay? Just calm down.
Do you know what? I think this whole thing is over. Let me go and make good use of my life. Go back home and kill your marriage.
Wow, this is good. This is the best joke I've ever heard in my life. That's good. This is good.
You think I'm joking, right?
I know you're joking. I know you're serious.
Watch me.
We are strangers, we don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart.
My baby.
Take me to her.
Have you been trailing me?
Will you take me to her or you want me to do it my own way?
Please, stop this. Please.
I want to see her.
Stop this.
I want to see her.
Please, let's just go.
Leave me alone. I want to see her.
Stop this. Stop it. Stop it.
I want to see her. Who is she? Who is she?
Stop it. Stop it. Let's go. Stop it. No.
We are strangers, we don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong, you're breaking my heart. When love is gone,
Baby.
you're just...
Baby.
Be my boss. Be my boss.
Please don't do this to me. Please, I beg of you. Save me from this shame. Please, save my pride.
So you have pride now. You should have thought of that before thinking of cheating on me. And the worst of it all is that you suspect my every move. This marriage is over and I am not going to turn back.
Please, I beg you. Please. Okay, listen to me. Please. I promise. I will never cheat on you again. Please, baby.
I don't believe you.
So it means you cannot forgive?
No.
You don't feel like before. We are strangers, we don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong, you're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone.
Finally, what happened? I'm the top.
They're just holding on. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love
Sunday. Sunday.
Oga.
Bring that back in.
Okay, sir.
We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. We're just holding on. This house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone.
Take me upstairs.
When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. This house is no.
I told you, I walked in there. I threw them money tonight with my boys at a point that we observed them from afar. Bam! I saw him. I told you I was going to get it. That's why I'm the best in the game. Is there? He lives at number 2, Sister and So Street, near Philip Junction. That's where he stays. I know his family, his mother, his father. It's the one you're looking for.
When I touch you, you don't feel like before. We are strangers. We don't love anymore. We are strangers. We don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong. You're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on
Hi.
to what used to be.
I didn't know you were back.
Yes. When I came back, I found this stupid, so I didn't want to disturb you. A client came to my office, and then when
I don't need any explanation again. You are welcome.
When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be.
you have to stop this.
Oh, baby. See, not now. I beg of you. You can't leave now.
I'm at war with my conscience. My husband is now a Chinese man, so I see no reason to continue with this unholy act.
You lied to me. You told me you were going to dump him for me.
But that was before he changed. See, my husband is now a loving and responsible man. And I really want to build this relationship. But when the distraction fail, we have to stop.
You said you are not in love with me.
Yeah, I said that, yeah. I was madly in love with you, but we have to kill this love. We have to. It's unlawful. It's not healthy.
I am not going to be dumped just like that. Without anything. I mean, it's insane.
Wait, how do you mean without anything? How do you mean without anything? But you had the car. We lied about the car being stolen with some of my personal belongings and you have them. So how do you mean without anything?
No way. Baby. My life. See, you can't leave now. My entire world has been built around you. Please.
Mama, here is your daughter. Hey!
God.
Woo! This is good. So it's you, eh? It's you. So it's you.
When I touch you, you don't feel like before. We are strangers, we don't love anymore. We are so close together, but so far apart. Something is wrong, you're breaking my heart. When love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. When love is gone, this house is no longer a home. Lovers and lies. When love is gone, when love is gone, you're just holding on to what used to be. We're just